Say hi. Say hi, Ellie. Yay. What's up, peeps? It's your girl Shiny DITL, your favorite mommy vloggy, and we are back again with another video. So today has been, I don't know, to me not that much of an eventful day. However, because I'm just not getting to the intro. And my day is about finished. I'm about to pick the kids up, so they're not with me just yet, but hopefully you'll get to see them in this video. But I just wanted to check in with y'all, see how y'all are doing. I am doing fine. What is going on with me right now? Oh, today is Thursday. I really need to be disciplined in a lot of areas, not just with my eating and working out, but also with this, being more consistent with my channel and just different things in life. The main thing that I'm disciplined in is with the kids, is taking care of the kids, because the best way for them to function and to do well is to have them on a routine schedule. So I make sure that they get what they need when they need it, and I take care of them. So I know that I can do it. It's just a matter of getting it done, and I'm sure there's plenty of people out there who can agree and understand that sometimes you're just tired and you feel like you need more rest and stuff like that. But if you really want to be like, if you really want to do the dream, if you want to live the dream, I've heard it so many times, so many different ways, you're really gonna have to sacrifice something. And for me, the biggest thing is I'm gonna have to sacrifice sleep. That's just it. I know I have it in me to do more, and that's what this is all about. This journey that I'm going through right now is being more disciplined and getting it done.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration.
I am here with the kiddos. We are on our way to school. Say hi. Say hi, Ellie. Yay, good job. We are on our way. I'm about to take the kids to school. Huh?
Like a big?
This the peeps. Say peeps.
Big.
Yeah. I'm gonna take them to school, and I will check back in with y'all. Did y'all get a chance to see the baby? Let's see. Hey, baby. She be the hardest to get a good view of her back there, but she's back there, and we're getting ready to head to school. I'll see you guys soon.